5th April, complaint was lodged at Vasco police station that one minor girl is missing from Kharewada. So since she was a minor, we had to register a kidnapping case. On asking the parents, like there were not much clues regarding any friendship or any other matter. During investigations, we came to know that there was a boy who was working in Kharewada area and who had left the place some days back, and he was seen around even after going from there. So accordingly, we came to know that this girl was in talking terms with that boy. So we conducted inquiry with all the friends of that particular person, and from whom we came to know that he has proceeded towards North India on 5th. So presuming that the girl also would be with him, so we kept a watch on the further movements of this boy. Further, through our sources, we came to know that he has travelled to Punjab, Ludhiana, where his parents are working. And after staying there for one day with his victim, he proceeded towards his hometown, that is at Pratapgarh in Uttar Pradesh. So we alerted our sources. We had some known person there. So those people visited that village and kept a watch on the movement of the boy and the girl. So once it was confirmed that they have reached Pratapgarh, Basi village in Uttar Pradesh, so our team consisting of PSI Nikhil Palekar and staff proceeded to Uttar Pradesh, and they rescued the victim and apprehended the boy in Basi village. At Basi, the assistance of Uttar Pradesh police was taken. Further, the boy was produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrate at Raniganj, and a transit remand was obtained. The entire team reached yesterday at Vasco. The boy was produced before JMFC. He has been remanded to 7 days police custody. The medical examination of the victim girl has been done, so also the medical examination of the boy has been done, and the reports are awaited. So once the medical report comes, then we will go in further applications of sections if required. The statement of the victim girl has been recorded in detail, and it has also been recorded with the Victim Assistance Unit, Benjamin.